Hi guys, which season you like the most? For example, I like rains. For me, the most beautiful part is rains, but I do get bored of rains after, let's say, 1 week of rains. Obviously, we get bored. I like winter. Obviously, after 1 week or 2 weeks, we miss the sun. We like summers, but we miss winters. So it's a typical human psychology to get bored of something. Yeah, same way you get study bored of the study as well. Studying for CAT, CET, you're going to prepare for CAT, CET for the next 1 year. In fact, raining for the next 1 year. Like London, approximately 200 days out of 365, it's gonna rain. So at times it start getting boring. It start getting very dull. So easy way out. Let's change the routine. So this week's target we're going to focus on. So we got exactly 20 weeks remaining for the CAT exam. बेटा अभी फटनी चालू होनी चाहिए. Trust me यार, if you are still not serious about your preparation, there's something wrong. And 34 weeks for the CET exam. Yeah, that's our weekly timetable. You can go to check out these details every week on cetking.com/weekly. Yeah, for the weekly timetable. And guess who to join us? You can join us for this program. Those who have not yet joined. Otherwise, this week I'm starting the new batch on 13th, that is today at 6 p.m. So that's an introduction how we are going to play. So those who have not yet attended, those who already have joined and not yet attended, please do attend this introduction about why MBA, how we're going to train, all these things. Yeah, and this is your week's topic. So this Monday we are talking about data sufficiency, which is the non-CAT topic. Tuesday RC, inference based. Wednesday DI pie chart. Thursday time speed distance. Friday inequalities, which is only for the CAT students. And Saturday topic wise test, and Sunday mock. That's the agenda for the day, agenda for the week. So here I am dividing the plan in such a way that we're covering CAT and non-CAT both the exam ek saath. If you want, I can make it separate. For example, CAT topic are 4 days a week and Monday off for CAT students, or for non-CAT students 4 days working and Friday off, whichever way you want to see it. Yeah, I can make a 2 separate timetable, but this is for because most of students are giving CAT and CET all the exams, CAT and non-CAT all the exams. Yeah, so this is your week's timetable. So at CET also we're launching this batch where we are going to cover up all the basics for the time being. Yeah, so every day 7 p.m. we are going to have this foundation class. Yeah, just starting off kickoff. And the next day 1 p.m. for the topic where we'll have the advanced lecture. For example, data sufficiency, we have the 7 p.m. class, and 9:30 we'll take a test. Next day RC test. DI pie chart at 7 p.m. then test, and next day we are going to look at the advanced level DI. Okay, time speed distance, foundation basics, test, advanced level. Inequality basic, inequality the CAT level, so I'm covering up the basic and advanced together in one go. So one session I'm going to cover up all the CAT question as well because of all our shortcuts. Yeah, we'll directly jump onto the CAT question. The first question we're going to solve in inequality is CAT level, because inequality topic hai itna bekar. Yeah, and then Saturday we'll take test. Sunday we are keeping for the full length CET mock or a non-CAT mock. Any non-CAT exam you can give, no CAT mock this weekend, and then we'll do the mock analysis. Yeah, that's the plan for the week. So go to cetking.com/weekly. You can check out the all plans. Every week target are given here. Okay, and if you go down, this is the test ka link. Those who have joined us only for the mock series or only for the books, every day we are keeping the test, and the test link is going to be posted on this Telegram group as well. How to start your preparation? Quant, verbal, DI, logic. You can check out all the details here. Check out these videos if you're starting off now with your preparation. And complete next 1 year ka chart is given here. All the topic we're going to cover up in the next 1 year from CAT till CET are all given here. So you can check out this link for more details. Yeah, you can check out the link for more details. Alright, all the best. Thank you. Yeah, so in case you want to join us, these are the numbers given below. All the best.